Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Google Veo 3 for free, and without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you can do is you can prepare it from opening the Gemini Google over here, and after that don't forget to do the login first with your email account or Google account, and you can start to click upgrade over here. And as you can see that this Gemini AI will offer you the upgrade from the Flash to become the Pro version. And how to do that, so you can have this 1 month free trial, and after that you can also see the benefits that they offer over here. For example, that you can create the high quality video in Veo 2, but actually it can be also upgraded into the Veo 3 and also unlock the access to premium features and also understand the large book, and also it will give you the 2 terabyte storage. And if you are interested, then you can start to get offer, and after that you can connect your since it is okay to not your debit or credit card, then you can connect it into your wallet or electronic wallet or pay on your phone over here. And after that, after you connect it, then since the price over here is 0, so after you connect it into your wallet, then this Gemini can be upgraded into the Pro version, and you can start. And usually when you already upgrade this Gemini into the Pro version, then for this video is already able to create the video in style or the model of Veo 3. But don't worry, because right after you do the payment that only cost the 0 here following your currency, there will be the notification maybe a week before the due date that you need to do the payment. And if you don't want to do the payment, don't worry, because you can cancel the subscription of this Google Gemini Pro. So after the upgrading the version, then you can start to refresh this Gemini Google over here, and you can start to create the video. For example, I have created the prompt over here, and it has been created into the video. And also don't worry, because the prompt before can be refined over here, and this is the look after the generation process. Isn't that beautiful, right? So you can start to download it by clicking this button. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tip, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.